If you're wondering where to move to in Calgary, I would suggest the amazing newer community of Yorkville Southwest. This community is already on its way and has amazing potential. Situated near a smaller lake, it is not far from Stoney Trail and McLeod Trail, two major roadways to get you where you need to go quickly. It's also not that far from South Campus Hospital and is surrounded by numerous amenity options. Now, Yorkville being a Mattamy Homes master plan community, it's home to mainly Mattamy built homes. With great views of nature and mountains, Mattamy has a great lineup of homes in a price range rare for the Southwest. Our first stop is the Armstrong. Now, this 4-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom double car garage home boasts 2,864 square feet above grade. Now, if you develop the basement, you'll have upwards of 3,645 square feet. That's enough for a busy family to thoroughly enjoy. Mattamy offers 3 exterior styles: the Craftsman, the Georgian Colonial, and the Prairie. I really have come to like the exterior style and overall layout of the Armstrong, with its split level appearance that gives it some separation from the garage. Well, it's cold outside, so let's get on in there and take a look at the Armstrong. Let's go. All right, make yourself at home. Now see, as you enter into the Armstrong, you are greeted with a quite sizey foyer that leads to a flight of stairs that both go up and then down into the garage, and then a little bit of a partial staircase into the basement. Okay, let's go upstairs. Check out this living space here, just adjacent to the kitchen. What you have is a nice kind of fireplace there on the side, or a tiled wall. Just off to the side, you have a little bit of a cupboard area we have over there, just to enjoy that living space. This kitchen has two-tone colors in here to really accentuate and highlight the different features of it. From the paneled cupboards that really allow for ample space. The cupboards go all the way to the ceiling, to the nice countertop in white. Again, that really complements each other with the kind of like muted gray blue tone of cabinet, as well as the oak colored pantry over here and the cupboards over there. You have that nice chimney fan that really accents and gives it a very nice, elegant chef feel, as well as the wall-mounted microwave and oven. A beautiful mudroom with more cabinets and cupboards, as well as a bench and storage for your shoes underneath. But check this out. You have a nice little wash basin here. Perfect again if you have pets and you're bringing them home for a walk. You give them a nice bath in there. I've just gone up about a half flight of stairs up to this gorgeous family room. Now, this family room is situated just in between the main floor and the upper floor. Look at the beautiful tile, the dark tile, that really again accents and makes that the focal point, especially with the built-in fireplace, as well as if you like a mounted top TV. Bedroom number 2, which is a little bit larger than bedroom number 3. As you can see, this room is large enough to fit a queen size bed. It does again have those sliding doors for your closet, and your closet has a good amount of space. The piece de resistance, the master suite or the owner suite in this gorgeous home that Mattamy has crafted, easily fits a king-size bed with plenty of space on either side, either for some nice side tables, or maybe even if you had the bed a little bit off to the side, you could put some nice little lounge or chaise there. As well, we can tell over here that there's easily enough room for a large chest of drawers. No master suite or owner suite is complete without an ensuite. Those bronze colors again remain consistent throughout this house. Check out the beautiful textured backsplash or wall behind the main mirror in the ensuite. Beautiful, nice tones, just to again make things pop, from the white quartz countertops, the white cabinetry with the bronze fixtures on top. I actually have come to really like what they've done in this house. Now, I can totally see myself just coming home from a hard day's work, taking a little bit of a plunge in there and relax. As we come down to their finished basement, you'll notice that this basement is ready for people to live in. The Armstrong is one of Mattamy Homes' most spacious designs. Now, you can visit their website to learn more about Yorkville and the options for homes that they have available in that community. Link in description below. You can call, text, or email me if you want me to line you up with a tour of this home or any other homes that Mattamy has in that community. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Catch you on the next video.